Firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire. Firefighter, please come and put out the fire. The water gun can douse the fire. Firefighter Kiki sets off. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is on fire. Install a pair of wings and your car will be able to fly. Firefighting is complete. Time to equip the magical item. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect. Turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Great! Connect the rest of the pipes. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. There is an emergency call for help. Help! Some people fell in the water. Putting life buoys on the persons in water can help them float in water. Firefighter Kiki is on the way. Tap the person in the water and throw a life buoy. Slide the rope to pull the person out of the water. Rescue mission completed. Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier. There is an emergency call for help. What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby fox has climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them. The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Tap the baby fox to catch it with a net bag. Raise the ladder and search in the tree above. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Equip the rainbow fishtail and go swimming. Look, the pool is short of water and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket. Firefighter Kiki, please come to the rescue. It's urgent. Come on, Kiki. The fire extinguisher can put out the fire. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. There's a fire. Put it out. Fire extinguisher can put out all fires. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. Choose protective tools for the trap. Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. The trapped person is struggling to breathe and needs help. Thank you. The trapped person is in danger. Help him quickly. Thank you. The trapped person is in danger. Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Oh yeah, this is a perfect rescue. Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors. Waiting for firefighters to rescue. What a busy day. You're the greatest firefighter. Bye.